So a lot of people, when they get told that they have to have an interlock device, that's all they get told. They aren't told how much it costs, they aren't told where they can go to get it. So when they call us, we really make the process simple by providing all that information and having access to mounds of information that they can utilize.
I like helping people. You know, life happens to all of us, and it's just helping people through an unfortunate situation.
We're basically here to just be the solution and get you through and not to judge you.
When customers call into Intoxalock, the first thing that you should expect is a smile on the other end of the phone. Someone that's willing to help you, someone that if they don't have the answers that you need is more than willing to go above and beyond, go the extra mile to get their questions answered.
They can obviously hear I'm smiling, which I can hear on the other end makes them smile, or and just say, you know, nobody's perfect, we've all made mistakes.
And you're never going to meet somebody that you can't have a conversation with and that doesn't have a smile on their face.
Each state, no matter where it is, has certain one or two specific things that they just demand be done a certain way. What we do is we develop a checklist where we just walk them through a simple, maybe 4 or 5 step process, and then we just make it as easy as possible. And then we'll communicate that through them verbally, in writing, we'll send them email, we'll send them text. Constant and continual clear communication is critical to what we do.
When you call Intoxalock, you're going to be talking to a trained professional who knows your state and rules, regulations, and knows everything about the device.
So what can you expect from the first call into us? They kind of just have to pick up the phone and give us a call, and once, our first minute or two is just listening to them, understanding, and then just going kind of what needs to be done.
Customers don't want these devices in their car at the end of the day. They don't want what we're selling. What we're really selling them is our performance, our customer service. And if we provide that little bit of extra, which we try to do day in and day out here in Intoxalock, that goes an extra mile that a lot of places aren't going for. And we're definitely making an effort to show that.
My end result is to provide the best customer service that we can, whether it is at the customer level, at the service center, at the probation level, DOT, DMV, really we try to do our best we can. So.
My goal on every call, I would just say, is really to make sure that they know that we've given them the accurate information and that we're going to get them set up start to finish so that this process can be something of their past.
It's just an easy phone call. At the end of the day, you just pick it up, dial our number, and within 15 minutes, you're going to have an interlock appointment.
And we deal with this hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of times a day, a week, a month, a year. And we really have this down to 4 or 5 critical areas that we know will help you get through the process as quickly and expeditiously as possible. So just make the call.